welcome to
Cook It Up Yum!
Today we are going to be making
Vanilla ice cream.
We are going to be using a play and freeze ice cream maker right here.
The ingredients are some ice,
1/2 cup of rock salt, 1 pint of half and half, 1 1/2 of teaspoons vanilla, 1/3 cup plus 2 tablespoons of cane sugar.
The first step is put ice in the bottom of the bowl.
Make sure the bottom is all filled up when you're done.
The next step is open the ice cream salt and put it in here.
The next step is to put the cap of the bottom on and screw it up really tightly.
Next, you want to flip it over, and then you have a hole.
Then you pour 1 pint of half and half in a bowl. Next, you put 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla extract in the bowl. Then you pour 1/3 cup plus 2 tablespoons of sugar into your bowl.
Mix it some more.
When you're done mixing it, it will look like this.
You pour it in.
The hole.
Be
Make
careful.
sure everything gets in. When you're done, put the cap on and screw it tightly. Next, you bring the ice cream ball to a flat surface and roll it around.
For 10 minutes.
First step after you roll the ball around is to untighten the top, take it off, and scrape the cream off the edges.
This is a good spoon because it's plastic and it fits nicely into the hole.
You could also use wood.
Put the cap on.
Make sure to tighten it a lot. Flip it over, untighten the bottom. When you're done untightening, pour all the water out into a sink.
Put some ice cubes in.
Fill it up to the top a second time. Next, pour 1/4 cup of ice cream salt in your cup, and then when you're done, put it in to the bottom of your ice cream bowl.
Jiggle it around. I can't wait to eat this.
Next, put the bottom lid on, and then roll it around for 5 to 10 minutes again. Then you loosen the top, and you have your ice cream.
Yay, time to eat. See how it tastes. It's delicious. I could have this every day.
I wish we made more of this. Thanks for watching Cook It Up Yum.
Please like, share, and subscribe.